Today is my mother's-in-law birthday, and we are just inside the house with the family. They just ordered pizza, margarita, and rice bowl delivered at the house, so we don't need to go out. Rice bowl, meat. What is inside? Pork?
Meat and sauce.
Meat and sauce. It's like siopaw. It looks like siopaw with meat and sauce inside. Good morning, and our mug is Christmas decor. The Milka, it's like chocolate. Our breakfast, cappuccino powder, and here is the tea, and we have the panino bread. Let's go outside and I'll show you the view from balcony. Yan. Yung nagtataas ang mga bahay. And then makikita nyo puro mountains dito, Rocky Mountains. And then on the top of the mountains is the houses. Kalapati on the rooftop. Rooftop of the neighborhood house. Yan, may damo na siya. May damo na sa taas eh. Nagkadamo na yung building. Yan, unfinished house. Yan yung pinakabahay-bahay nila. Yung nasa gitna. And then, baba niyan is highway. Most of the house here, may balcony. Ayan siya. Tapos ganito yung sampayan nila. Ang galing. Mabilis lang yan matuyo. Yan yung mga bahay nila. May mga balcony. Most of the houses have their own balcony. Yan yung style ng house. Ito, ang laki ng bahay na to. Building. Pero I think 6 siblings or relatives ang magka-share. And then, normally sa baba is parking. Garage or stock room. Ayan. Medyo pataas. Pataas yung kalsada na yun. Pataas siya. Ang taas niyan. Gandun. Pataas. Mabundok dito. Mataas na lugar to kaya malamig siya. Mas malamig siya compare dun sa airport kung saan kami nagland. Medyo mainit. Pero pagdating sa dito, sa place where we stay, where my husband parents live, so kasi mataas yung lugar na to kaya malamig. We're going to cemetery.
We are in front of the cemetery.
To visit a father-in-law. And then the bin, so big. What's inside the bin? Maybe there is money inside. The stairs up to 5th floor. Hi. Look at the stairs. big Christmas tree sa loob ng bahay ng pamangkin ng asawa ko. Ang laki ng Christmas tree nila hanggang ceiling, hanggang kisame. Yan. Ito yung Christmas tree na makikita mo sa plaza or sa mall. Meron na silang gifts. And then balls. Meron silang balls with pictures inside. Family pictures inside. They also have aquarium inside the house. Dati 3 yan. Di ko alam bakit nasaan na yung isa. Ba kinain or namatay na yung isang isda. The little girl is still sleepy. Chocolate. Pure chocolate. Ang sarap nito. Tapos ang lapot pa niya. Naglalaro yung isang bata dun sa kuna.
Carmelino.
Hello! Pasko na dito sa South Sicily, Italy. They have a Christmas lights
Rush
decor
hour.
on the street.
Kaya ma-traffic. Ma-traffic. Ito, panificio. Ornone. Kanitsara. Bakery. Tindahan ng tinapay. Diba?
Nasa labas kami sa bus office kung saan magpapadala kami ng package from Italy going to Germany, and they will ship it through bus.
Ang daming sasakyan.
But this machine is not special. Cappuccino
Cappuccino.
espresso, cappuccino espresso.
Cappuccino espresso.
Cappuccino espresso, what is the price? 60.
0.60 centavos.
A ver, conveni. A me non dove conosci. Cappuccino. Special one.
Cappuccino.
High
Messi
quality from
cappuccino. Cappuccino. We had our dinner outside. Pizza. Very big pizza. Ang sarap ng pizza dito sa Italy. Tapos ang sarap parang tinapay. Tapos ang daming toppings. Hindi talaga nila tinitipid sa toppings. Yung mga toppings pa lang. Wow! And super big. Napataob namin yung 2 bilao ng pizza. Ang sarap kasi. Ang sarap lalo na yung margarita. Gustong gusto ko yung may beans. They have heater inside pero ang lamig pa din. Maybe this is not enough. After eating pizza, we drive and go to other city to walk around.
church is under renovation. Ayun siya, nire-renovate siya. Ice cream. No,
I like
What's
the
that?
color, Mrs. Stella. Look,
what's that?
it's a cake. Cake, but more.
Christmas tree.
La torta va fatta così.
Ako lang yung umorder ng ice cream. Most of them ordered cookies. I ordered my favorite flavor ice cream, which is pistachio. Now vacation is over. We are going back to Germany. Nag-stop over kami sa isang cafeteria to have coffee. Waiting for our order. My husband ordered 2 cappuccino for us.
What is this?
Good morning, guys. We are back here in Germany. Dumating kami kagabi, mga 8:30, I think. Yeah, 8:30. And the temperature here is different from the temperature in Italy. Sa Italy, medyo hindi siya ganun kalamig. So, pagdating dito, -2, -1. Sobrang lamig. Para ka nasa loob ng freezer. At ngayon, right now, the temperature is 1 degrees. Pero maganda yung araw. Sunny days. Maaraw ngayon. Hindi siya makulimlim. Ayan. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung sikat ng araw. Pero kagabi hanggang kaninang umaga, -2. Sobrang lamig. Kung mapapansin niyo yung bubong ng garage, mayroong part na white. Yan yung nag-frozen, yung moist na nag-freeze. Nag-frozen siya. And on the other side, this side, natunaw na yung yellow. Ayan, kasi nasisinagan na siya ng araw. Magandang araw ngayon. Perfect for walking, lalo na sa may mga aso.